All right, guys, so we're about to head over to my buddy Count's place. I got old Poppy here in the car with me. Now, he's been working on this Nomad now for a few weeks. He just picked it up, so I took a few pictures already of the Nomad whenever he had just got it. I should have a lot of footage and stuff, but I may have some still pictures as well. So I'm gonna just try to piece together this video for you guys, and I'm sure it's gonna be several episodes of it. So just bear with me, but I just wanna try to catch up with everything that I've already recorded in the past, and trying to put all the material together. So it may be a few weeks here and a few weeks there, but I think it's gonna turn out pretty good, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated as well whenever it counts is finished with this 55 Nomad. It's in pretty rough shape right now, but you'll see the transformation as the weeks go by. And I think I got about 2 months of of him doing stuff week by week, and sometimes I'll go over to the very next day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because you know it'll help my channel out as well, guys. So also, I hope you guys been enjoying all of my prospecting videos. It's been a blast, and we got so much more in store. I still have several things that I've been working on that I haven't posted yet. I just have to find time to do all the editing. So anyway, let's go ahead and check out Counts at his compound, working on that 55 Nomad, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Talk to you later. So this is a 55, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they got.
Once Count start cutting, he don't know when to stop. No, I mean, most of this will be for me until you finish. That's wild though, man. This is what addicts do. I mean, it is pretty cool to see how everything is in its raw form, though. It really is. I can't believe, though, it looked like it's straight and stuff, and then you go underneath in the back of it, it's all rusted. Wow. Look at this. That's something else. Just watch the transformation. Watch the transformation.
Friday.
Oh man, I can't wait to see that.
Yeah, me and you both.
Yeah, that's gonna be nice.
Yeah, I'll set the body down either Friday or Saturday morning, one or the other. I want everything done I can possibly get before I do it. It's much easier standing right here.
Ah. It's gonna be nice once you get your wheels on there. Roll this mob around.
Oh yeah, that'll be real nice. The other two ain't got here yet. They had to drill the back ones. They didn't have them drill.
All right. Update. Nomad. We got some custom stuff going on, boy. He just got through doing his exhaust. Exhaust looks great. Man, that's gonna be nice. Just so I won't forget, in the future 55 Nomad, you guys seen it when old Counts first got it. This is gonna be a whole new vehicle, guys, when he get it. He already put new doors, new floor pans. Look at, I mean, floor pans in there. All right. I guess I'll say you probably been working on it 2 weeks now, Counts? You probably been working on this, what, 2 weeks now? Or what? How long you think you've been working on this now? About 2 weeks?
I started this March the 12th. I looked back at my pictures. I had it sitting here before I took the front end off in March the 12th.
March 12th. Ain't that something? Everything's new. Everything's new on this. Of course, he's fabricated the back where it's all ate up at.
Oh, yes, sir.
All right, so I'm gonna keep y'all guys updated and informed as much as I can with this 55 Nomad that Counts is building. All right, so we're back over at Counts. This is what he got done so far. He didn't cut the firewall off, cut the frame down here. He's gonna put a new clip on it. Took all the rust out of the top panels.
You go ahead and get your money, Jones.
Tell you, she's straight, man. Lot of work. Lot of work. Lot of work. So he took about a week off. So he's been working on Nomad for probably about a month now. He got a lot done. I just want to come over here and give you guys a quick update. Then at the end, we'll put this together from start to finish. Hope you guys enjoy. Oh, you did good, though. I tell you, it really did. It did really good, man. Oh. That top turned out really good, didn't it?
Well, I still love walking up in the top. I think it has some pits in it.
Real, even after you didn't, oh, that turned out good over here.
Proper walk, so I won't cover them pits. I had to skin cover a lot of it.
Pretty damn flat. You said primer doesn't? It's coming, guys. It's coming. How straight that is. Wow. It's amazing though if you got the right tools to do the job, man. Let's hit those quarter panels. I love that hood. Damn, I keep saying the hood. The roof. Quick, that's for sure.
I hope so. But it's got a lot of daggone primer on it. Gonna take it now. Wow.
He didn't take it apart.
You know, I've used 6 gallons of primer on this car.
How?
And I didn't go through it except for one. I got 1 gallon left for I bought 2 more of it. I think I've used about 2 before that.
Now, will you use that? Are you still gonna use that that light one on your finishing coat that you got from Carlisle?
I didn't buy none.
Oh, you didn't?
No, they went up on it. I didn't buy it.
All right, so we keeping an update with the Nomad, guys. We go over here a good time. He just got the, man, look at all this nice body work. I mean, this thing look good, ready to drive right now. He already got all the parts and pieces sanded down. Now, you guys saw how this thing looked when he first got it. I mean, it was in pieces. He took everything down to the inner frame, to the skeleton. Dog, you know what? I gotta go get that piece for him too. All right, here we go. That's a quick update. We'll be back in another week. Yeah.
slow.
Wow. Counselor made him a rotisserie in his daggone paint booth. And this is why he did it, so he could get underneath it. This man is something else, boy. Look at this here. Wow. Wow, this is awesome. That's something else.
Hey, like that color.
Oh, I love it. I think that's gonna be nice.
If you look at my picture in there, and you stick at my picture, I swear it identical to that picture.
Now, when he told me what he was gonna do, I was like, "Can't ain't no one in the world you gonna be able to do no rotisserie in here." I mean, ain't that something? All right, we gotta look at everything else too, guys.
No, I call it cutting and dealing with it.
All right, so he's about to start spraying this. He's gonna do the top first. He's doing the top white. All right, so we're gonna come back probably tomorrow to see how that top look, guys, and see if we can get it done. I'm trying to come by once a week or whatever when I'm not working, but it looks good. He actually did the bottom first. Made his own little rotisserie, so he's doing a good job. All right, I'll see you guys in a few days. We decided to come over because I know he was painting the top, so he already got the top paint. Look at that from this side here. You can see that thing shining there. You got to put some more clear on there and buff it out. He did an awesome job. Walk around here. Yeah, I'm trying to do my best to keep you guys updated on this Nomad. It's coming on. Kels, when did you start on this Nomad?
March 12th, I brought it in the door.
March 12th. It was when he brought it through the door and started working on it. And right now it's May the 28th. May the 28th. From start to finish so far. Try to tell y'all, this man is a machine. He's a cyborg. We just don't know it. All right, so we'll come again next week and see where he's at.
I'm not sure I'm right.
All right, guys. So far, I hope you are enjoying the 55 Nomad build of Ron Counts. I got so much footage of him working on things week by week, day by day, and I have been doing such a good job of keeping up this time with his builds. You know, I got projects myself and stuff, but he's always into something so interesting. So I just wanted to make sure I try to get as much video as I could for you guys. I'm actually over here working on the 47 on Bullseye myself. My ignition switch went out, so in between me prospecting and also trying to finish up my little projects that I have as far as the 77 Honda Matic and stuff. Now it's finally time for me to do a little bit of mechanicing myself. So let me show you real quick what I'm doing here. Turn you guys around. As you see, I had to, you know, unfortunately my battery is in the back of the bed, so I had to I had a gel rig to get my bed up, and I had to take the dash off. Here, as you see, I got the dash all apart here in the truck in the 55. I had to I did some troubleshooting, figured out that it's the ignition switch. So that's what I'm actually in the process of doing. The ignition switch on my truck. But I wanted to show you guys, I finally was able to get all the footage together and you know, put a nice little video of Count's Nomad. So check me out next week, and I should have another part of the Nomad completed, and then we'll be caught up. So I hope you guys have been enjoying that video though, and I hope you guys been enjoying all my other videos. If you guys don't know, I also got a playlist. It's with Digging Dirt with CJ, and that's when I go around doing a lot of prospecting. So I've been pretty much doing that full time right now until I get some other projects. So as far as in the garage, that is. So anyway, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also share and like as well, guys, because you know it helped my channel out. All right, so we just left Thermal City. And last weekend I just posted that video on Saturday. It caught, my sluice box caught a lot of fine gold and stuff. So I tell you what, man, I'm just so thrilled and excited. I have so much stuff that I want to do for the channel, and we're gonna get into it for sure. I just got to be patient, that's for sure. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that video Saturday, prospecting out there in Thermal City and stuff. Look forward to a lot more good content. That's the only thing I got to say, guys. So anyway, hope you guys been enjoying all of the content that I've been putting out. I finally got a little time to piece together a lot of stuff, and it's been fun, man. I tell you, going out in the field, far as in the lakes and the creeks, and panning and doing some prospecting. You know, I'm still learning a lot of stuff, but it's been a blast. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check me out next week. Hopefully we'll have part 2 of the Nomad. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.